This is 1984 CJ7. I think I had some kind of flashback, and I decided one day that I wanted my high school Jeep. I bought this, come to find out the frame had been bent, the motor was gone. There was just a lot of things that weren't right with it. But in Jeeps, they've all been abused. We should know that before we even get started. So we started from scratch at John's Automotive with the help of John and his team, and we powder coated the frame. It's got Fox suspension, it's got Wilwood disc brakes, it's got powder coated turbine wheels like I had in high school. It's the same color code from AMC. It actually has an LS3 Corvette motor in it. It has a number of different things that have been added to it. LED lights. The interior is completely redone. I even put shifters out of an old Mopar, one out of a Challenger and one out of a Cuda with the pistol grips on it. And Momo steering wheel. It's got 2.5 exhaust, custom exhaust on it. Mastercraft seats. So this is well above the one I had in high school. Carbon fiber gauges. I even had to add some missile switches in there to work some lights where you flip them up. I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, so this is my version of the Jeep. We just rebuilt the whole thing once we found out how bad it was.